If you are checking out this Techwood electric grill, the brand sent this to me to test out and try. I just got it in. I'm gonna unbox it, show you everything it comes with. I even grabbed a full chicken so that I could go ahead and test it out for you. I'm gonna see how long it takes, see how well it works, and give you my overall review. Now your control is off here on the side, so it's just a dial, and it does give suggestions on how long to cook, like fish and steak and chicken, all that kind of stuff. And of course, read your instruction manual. I prepared an entire chicken, so I'm gonna put that in there and test it every 30 minutes to see when it's done cooking. Now I did have to cut my chicken in half. My chicken was way too big, but that's okay. So I've got it all prepared. Just gonna close the lid and turn it on for 30 minutes. And then if you're wanting to check on your food, you just look through that little window too, instead of opening it constantly. Something else I really like about this grill is it does have two heating elements in it, so everything cooks nice and even. I like that it's a roaster, a toaster, and a grill all in one. Now this took about 45 minutes to cook this. Basically it's a half a chicken. So, oh yeah, it's nice and done. That looks nice and juicy and did not take long at all. So I'm definitely recommending this. Super simple to use. Cleanup is gonna be a breeze. Just to be able to have a grill indoors, especially during those winter months, or maybe you're somebody that doesn't even have an outside grill, this would be perfect. I don't think it takes up a lot of room. So if you're checking out this particular grill, I definitely recommend.